Hi there. Welcome back to this new edition of Simply ServiceNow. My name is Dario Falconi, a Senior Engagement Manager at Volteo Digital, and today I will share some basics of product management in ServiceNow. First, let's start with some of the common challenges we hear from customers and the industry. One of the common ones is a lack of visibility into product progress. Customers often don't have a clear understanding of how their product is progressing, which can lead to delays and frustration. Another challenge is difficulty in managing product scope. This happens when customers haven't clearly defined what they want the product to achieve, leading to scope creep or misunderstandings. Finally, poor communication across teams can result in missed deadlines, mistakes, and issues, making it difficult to achieve product goals effectively. To overcome these challenges, there are some best practices that we are recommending. Number one, it is important to have a methodology in place that follows a structured approach. This means that every step of the process is carefully planned and executed to achieve optimal results. This methodology should also be flexible and adaptable, which means that you can tailor it to meet your unique needs. Additionally, your methodology should be highly interactive and involve close collaboration between your team and your ServiceNow partner. This will help ensure that your needs and requirements are fully understood and that the solution delivered meets your expectations. Finally, your methodology should provide room for knowledge transfer and hypercare after go live to ensure successful system adoption. Number two, you should be aligned with project management best practices. This ensures that everyone on the team is on the same page and working towards the same goals. A few recommendations are: create a project plan that includes goals, scope, timelines, and resources to ensure everyone understands what they have to do. Establish effective communication channels by outlining the frequency, format, and content of project updates by using established tools and templates. Set a timetable and pace to ensure productivity, accountability, and efficient use of time. Identify potential obstacles and outline corrective actions needed to overcome them. Use tracking tools to monitor project-related activities and keep them up to date. Finally, ensure everyone uses the same system and keeps an accurate record of progress. You'd be surprised how many times we have heard from customers that they're not aligned with project management best practices. And number three, final, define your process. Clearly define your business objectives. Your process should align with your business goals, and it should help you to achieve them. Make sure to involve all relevant stakeholders in the process definition. This includes employees, customers, suppliers, and partners. It is important to have everyone's input to ensure that the process is understandable and covers all aspects of your business. And most important, use technology to support the process. Consider using technology to automate and streamline your process. This can help improve efficiency and reduce errors. Tools like ServiceNow can help you to manage the process and ensure that it's being followed correctly. And remember that you can always use ServiceNow to help you manage your processes and ensure that they are being followed correctly. In my previous experience, I have found that by implementing effective project management, our clients have been able to achieve their project goals within the given timelines and budget. It has resulted in improved customer satisfaction, increased revenue, and a better reputation in the industry. Additionally, having a well-defined project management process has helped our clients to identify and address potential risks and issues early on, which has reduced the negative impact on the project. Finally, I would like to talk about how we approach this at Volteo Digital. We provide our customers with a central point of contact for collaboration, accelerated business outcomes and cost savings, program management expertise, effective time and schedule control, scope management, budget control, risk identification and resolution, and hypercare support for a smooth transition to production. Thanks for watching this Simply ServiceNow episode. If you made it to this point, we have something for you. We have put together a checklist with items that we just went through on this video, and other ideas for you to start prepping for managing your projects in ServiceNow. You can find the download link on the description of this video. If you have additional questions, please contact us at Volteo Digital. We'll be happy to talk to you. See you soon.